Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO iQOO Z10 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find home screen, lock screen and wallpaper. Then let's tap on this wallpaper section and give all the permissions. Right here we've got pre-installed wallpapers from which we can choose. We've got plenty of options to choose from. Here several are, let's say, downloaded, and those with this icon you have to basically download, but they are still pre-installed. I'm not sure if it makes sense, but still they are pre-installed, and under it you've got the section for downloaded wallpapers, which you can download from themes, and I will show it to you in a second. In the right upper corner you've got this picture icon, so you can enter your own files, your own photos, and set them as a wallpaper. I will tap on download more, so we will be transferred to the wallpapers in themes, and here we've got free wallpapers which are available online, so I highly recommend to check those options, especially if you do not have a nice photo or something like that. Let me choose maybe this one. Just tap on the wallpaper and it will appear on the full screen. So just tap on download if you're happy with your choice. Of course, make sure that you've got the internet connection, you need that, and then tap on apply. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. You can also crop wallpaper, it's up to you. I will choose both option. Let's go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.